and that is where we are going to see here, okay, about this. Now what we are going to do is, let us create a custom statistics collector, okay. We're going to do that. Now what we're going to do, I'm just going to have a reset now, and let us go on and click on the happy customers, okay, the sync which we already created. In that our throughput pin, what we are going to do is, again we are going to do it here, then we are going to select throughput, and we are going to notice that there is now both a new chart in the dashboard and a new statistics collector named basically. So the steps is like, we are going to have these multiple graphs in here, okay. So now we are going to basically select the throughput graph so that we can be able to see how many customers of ours are happy, okay. So I have selected that, okay. So I've selected here the happy customers, which will help us get the number of happy customers out there, okay. Now if you could look at, we need to check about multiple stuffs out there, okay. So what we are going to do is, we are not only going to check on that, but we are going to see multiple different things out there, okay. So this is what we are going to get, a happy customer details out here. Similarly, we can get the unhappy customer details, okay. So if I just click on this unhappy customers, I'm going to get the unhappy customers graph, okay. So if I just reset this and if I run this, you see here, you're able to see we are getting a count of happy customers as well as the unhappy customers. So we created a dashboard by clicking on this, by the pins in there, and then we clicked on the graph and we selected that particular thing out there, okay. So now what we have is, basically we have the happy customers and we have unhappy customers. Now let us find one of the more graph, if it is possible, that we need an input, okay. We need inputs out in there, okay. So let us go in table of the throughput. Let us click onto this, and if we are able to see, we are going to still get the output data. These two graphs are similar to what we are going to have. So if I just reset and run this, you are going to get the throughput out in here, which is similar to that. The only difference is that we are going to get this in table and we are going to get this in, what I can say, the bar, okay. So this is how it works. So we are now going to get in that how much of our people, okay, are happy and how much of our people are unhappy, right? So now what we can do is, basically, let us create a pie chart, okay, for service desk utilization. So I'm just resetting this. I'll just delete this. This is no more required. Double click on this also. You can go, or you can click on the service desk. You can go in the state, pin the dashboard, and create a pie chart here, okay. So I'm just dragging this pie chart graph here now, and I'm resetting this and I'm running this. So now what we are able to see is that what is the different stage the service desk utilization has been, okay. So you can have this, the name change to service desk utilization, but if you see currently, this is what you are able to see, that you are going to have this on processing, okay. So on processing means your station is utilized for 92% and it is idle for 7%, right? So what we are going to have is, we are going to have these things in there, okay. Now let us analyze this data which we have tried to populate out here, okay. This is how it works. So let us bring this down, okay, and let us make this line chart bigger, right, and also make this, I can say, a shorter one pie, right? And then now let us analyze this data clearly so that we can answer the questions which we asked at the start of this video, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to basically stop this simulation model, okay, at 43200, that is after 12 hours, okay, and we are going to see how our data is basically going to look like, okay, and then we will be able to conclude the things based on that, okay. So let me just run this faster enough so that we meet that 43200 data. So if you see, as the simulation runs, the charts will update in real time, right? And when the chart is finished, we are going to analyze them now, how our service center is working, okay. For example, if you are going to notice the thing out here, you're going to see that there were more happy customers than unhappy customers overall. But there is still an unacceptable number of customers who, basically left the thing because of long waiting time, okay. We also noticed that the service desk was utilized almost constantly, okay. It is a good that the employees at the service desk are always working hard and are constantly helping the customers, but the lack of any downtime probably indicates that the service desk is being overutilized, right? So based on our model, that 3D model we created, based on the inputs we have given, and based on the data we are fetching out, and now we are analyzing the data which we fetched in, we are having a detailed analysis of our customer service center, and by looking at these results we can take more valuable business decisions. And this is the advantage of simulation tool, right? So what we came to know, that it might be good to experiment that whether adding more service desk could increase our happy customer count, okay, so that we are not making these people wait long, or it is causing our service desk to be more idle, and that is what we are going to look at in future, okay. So basically, if you could add the service desk and then add the service desk in this graph, you are going to look at this certain desk. So basically, the assignment for you, is going to be that add a new service desk to this line and check the data. Okay, what you are going to do is you're going to add an additional service desk. Then you're going to fetch the data just like we fetched in using the dashboards. You're going to analyze the data for this, that what is the utilization for the service desk. So you're going to let me know the answers after you complete this assignment, okay, in the comment section, that is adding a additional service desk a good option? If yes, why? If no, why? So is adding service desk resulting in a very idle time for service desk, or is adding a service desk resulting us to a rapid increase in happy customers and least unhappy customers? Let me know the count of happy customers if you're going to have additional service desk. So that's all for today in this video. So to summarize, what we learned is creating content versus graph, stay time. We have identified how to create the dashboards, how to fetch the data, then how to analyze the data, what conclusions have been taken out. Then we have one assignment which you all are going to do, and let me know the answers in the comment section of this video. And we are going to meet in another grand interesting tutorial of Flexsim, where we are going to understand how to build a process flow model. So let us meet in another grand interesting video, guys. Till then, you're going to like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our BR channel, and complete the assignment, and let me know your answers in the comment section, guys. Thank you, and let us meet in another interesting video. Bye-bye.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your, skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your BA channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home, you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can input in your simulation, for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our BA channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events. And you can check our services here for detailed and more informative things. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly. Because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have the option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on our YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available. to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs, which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here and ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.